Dear students, as we know, ethnobotanical useful plants, mostly our tribals used ethnobotanical medicinal plant as like Azadirachta recta, second one Ocimum, third one Vitex, fourth is Terminalia, then Tribulus, then Cassia, or then Indigofera. We know about Azadirachta indica, Indian species, a large plant which used as medicinal plant. The parts of this plant used roots, leaves, floral buds, seeds, and bark. These parts used in various diseases for their removing symptoms like this: skin, illness, fever, headache, thorax part, and for our liver. The powder of roots, leaves, floral buds, or seeds are used for removing the various disease or symptoms as like skin, as like fever, as like headache, as like thorax symptoms, as like liver disease. Mainly in our villages, Azadirachta used as a bark powder used for skin disease, heart disease, or kidney disease. And like many symptoms of skin as a allergy is removing by Azadirachta bark powder, roots powder, leaves powder, floral buds powder, or seeds powder. In case of Azadirachta indica, mainly vernacular name is neem. So we can say that the Azadirachta indica is most useful tree or plant for removing our disease of skin, disease of thorax part, disease of liver, disease of kidney. And like second plant is Ocimum. Ocimum have 2 or 3 species in India: Ocimum basilikum, Ocimum sanctum. Both are useful for removing many diseases as like cough, as like fever, as like headache, skin disease, or our abdominal disease, also removed by Ocimum sanctum, Ocimum basilicum. Both species found in India, every region. These plant parts also roots, stem and leaves. These parts also used for removing symptoms, root, stem and leaves, powder as well as complete part of plant. Okay. Ocimum vernacular name is tulsi or marva. Tulsi is Ocimum sanctum and marva is Ocimum basilicum. Both species find in India in large scale in our houses, botanical garden or garden. Or nowadays, in corona period, this plant used for improve our stamina or immunity. So this plant also used for prevention from corona. Like this. Next plant. Next is Terminalia. Third is Terminalia indica, also called as Arjuna tree. This plant is most important for us from decades of period because it removes symptoms of our heart. Heart means prevention from cholesterol, prevention from attack, prevention from purifier of blood and many other diseases also removed by this tree. The parts of this tree mainly used bark powder for heart disease and stem and leaves are used for skin disease. Roots powder used for purification of urine. So this plant also useful for us from many decades. Next, Tribulus. Also have species, 5 to 7 in India. Tribulus basilicum or indica, mostly found in our desertic areas. This plant is herbaceous. Parts of this plant used by pupils, roots, stems, leaves, floral parts. The floral parts used for stone of kidney. The floral parts powder, make a powder, then used by patient for removing stone of kidney or gallbladder. And like roots, stem, leaves, powder also used for skin disease. Okay. Then next plant and fifth plant is Withania somnifera. It is also herb, but in desert it finds as a shrub. This is most important plant for removing disease of our abdomen. And like this plant also remove our obesity. Then parts are used also roots, stem, leaves, floral parts. These parts crushed to make a powder for obesity. Then many domestic creams also made by this plant, as like facial, as like body lotion. So this plant is most useful from last 500 decades. From 500 decades. This plant also known as one regular name. We can say that Withania is ashwagandha. Ashwagandha. So, students, we say all these plants about their plant parts they use for various disease to removing their symptoms and their as powder, like powder, or complete plant parts also used for making many medicines by these plants. So we can say that these medicinal plants are useful for us from last 500 decades. We also say ethnobotanical useful plants. Our list is not completed in 5 or 6 plants. There is very number of medicinal plants in India. About 5,000 species used as a ethnobotanical useful plants. Thanks to us. Next, we can study other plants tomorrow. Thank you very much.